This one simple process has generated me over $15,000 in the last 90 days just from selling simple digital products and PDFs. And now with AI, nearly 90% of the work can be fully automated. But here's what nobody's telling you. While they're stuck overcomplicating literally everything, my students and I have been quietly making some serious money selling digital products / PDFs. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name's Nick, and just a few years ago, I was working for minimum wage at Burger King. Not sure where my life was even headed. Today, I run multiple six-figure businesses and have helped thousands of other people start making money online. You don't need to have a big audience, you don't need to be an expert in the field, and you don't even need to create everything from scratch. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the exact systems that my top students and I have been using to turn any idea into a profitable digital product business. And to prove this actually works, I'm going to build a brand new digital product in this video live using the exact same system that's generated me over $15,000 in the last 3 months. And the very first step is seeing what the market actually wants. One of the most trending topics out there right now is this looks maxing niche. I'm sure a lot of you guys have already heard about it. Basically, the entire idea or concept of you making yourself look better through various habits. And as you guys can see, there's countless videos that have blown up insanely well. And as you can see, there's tons of videos that are just absolutely blowing up with the term looks maxing, and there's tons of concepts about it. And so this ultimately just shows that there is a lot of viral potential in this niche of looks maxing. And now not only on TikTok is this blowing up, but on Instagram, this is blowing up highly as well. If we look at this page right here, Audrey Looks Max, this page just started in December of last year, so about 4 months ago, and it's already built up to almost 500,000 followers. And this guy is just posting a bunch of looks maxing edits and transitions, basically showing his glow up. And as you can see right here with the link in the bio, he is selling all of these views on this looks maxing guide. But if you guys haven't already noticed yet, this guy is completely AI. He's not real, which just makes these videos 10 times easier to make and 10 times easier to produce a mass amount of them. Since the guy is completely AI, he doesn't have to spend 10 hours a day recording a bunch of different videos, hopping on Omegle, getting all these reactions. And as you can see, the quality works as well. 25 million views, 20 million views, 27.9 million views. Just off 3 videos, he has about 80 million views. And so what did I do? I replicated the exact process for myself. I started this account back in January, so like 3 months ago. My first video got 30,000, then we got 40,000, then a few more at 40 to 50,000. And then boom, my 6th video got 4.6 million views, 132,000 likes, and this is all AI generated. I took the exact same format that this Looks Maxer was using. I applied it to my own AI character. And after you get a video to pop off like this, it's hard to slow the momentum down. Like you can really be posting anything and you will get good traction. Like this video after got 64,000 views, then 100,000 views, then another 1.4 million views, and now I'm just sitting at like 60 to 80,000 views. In this content, these videos take me less than 10 minutes to make each. And yes, this is the page that's generated me around $15,000 in the last 90 days alone. And if you guys are wondering what I'm selling, if we go to the link in my bio, there is a looks maxing guide that I am selling. And as you can see, this is just an entire page going over why it's better to look better and how it can help your life. And I'm selling 3 different transformation packages, selling 3 different ebooks. By far the craziest part about it is that these ebooks are actually packed with a bunch of knowledge I didn't even know about. Also, each one of these products took me less than 10 minutes to make, and I'll show you guys later in this video on how I did that exactly when we go over me making the product live. But just to put some context in perspective, I've got around 6,000 followers, and in total I've got around 7 to 8 million views, and I've made around $17,000 doing this. And yeah, my landing page is definitely better than Audrey Looks Max's landing page. So yeah, my 7 million views alone has made me around $17,000. Then we can really only imagine how much this guy's made off of selling his ebook, getting over like 100 million views. It's honestly just a disgusting amount of money. And now you're probably thinking, well, when it comes to making 3 different ebooks, I have to find all the information, I have to put it all on a Google Doc, I have to get it onto a PDF, I have to add images, I have to add colors, all these different things when it comes to actually making a good ebook. But simply, once again, with the power of AI, you can really make these ebooks in less than 10 minutes, which is what I've done with autodigital.io. As you can see, this site is basically an ebook creation tool that can create ebooks in minutes. And this is what I've personally used to create my own. If you guys are still using all your time creating things manually and not using AI to your advantage, you're honestly going to be left behind. So right now, I'm going to walk you guys through an entire breakdown of how I create these ebooks step by step. And since we're already on the topic, why don't I just create another looks maxing ebook? I already have an account, so the first thing I'm going to do is just sign in, and boom. Now, once I'm in, I'm going to go to the top right here where it says create new ebook. And you can either choose to do this manually and just kind of follow the steps that it gives you, or you can use the AI assisted where the AI is going to do 90% of the work for you. So obviously I'm going to go with the AI assisted because we don't want to do the work ourselves, right? And so the first thing it's going to ask is, do you want me to suggest trending topics, or do you have an idea already? So what I'm going to say is, I have an idea to make a looks maxing ebook that helps people get more defined face tones and lose face fat and overall have a more pleasing appearance, both for women and men. So once we give it our idea, we're just going to click enter. And now it's going to ask us what is our preferred title and what is our preferred target audience. Audience would be people looking to improve their looks through various methods, including fitness, working out, dieting, and morning routines. I want the title to be something like work smarter, not harder. You could obviously make the title a lot better. I just came up with that off the top of my head. We're gonna press enter. And now, as you can see, it's given us different templates and we can all view these templates, but I'm just gonna go with the personal development one because that suits what we're talking about most. Now, as you can see, it's got a template ready to go and ready to create our ebook. So we're gonna generate the outline. Well, it's not really us doing it, it's the AI doing it, as you can see, and this should take a few seconds. And boom, just like that, we have an entire outline of our ebook with 8 different chapters, and we can even add a chapter if we wanted to make more. But as you can see, the very first one, this is actual quality that will help your buyer. Understanding your facial anatomy and skin health, nutrition strategies, effective facial exercises and workouts, integrating specific fitness for facial benefits, optimizing morning routines, lifestyle habits in general, personal development exercises to boost confidence and consistency, and putting it all together in customized plans and checklists. Getting all these chapters and ideas for these chapters and all the information and images inside of these chapters would have taken me at least a few weeks. And the fact that AI can now do that for you in 2 minutes is absolutely insane. So we're gonna approve this outline. And now, as you can see, our ebook's got the title, got the chapters, the professional tone, and the photorealistic images. And now we're just gonna click generate. And now this process should take about 3 minutes. Boom, just like that. Within 3 minutes, as you guys can see, our full looks maxing ebook with every content we actually need, all put together in, I think this is 70 pages. And if we wanted to edit anything, we have this middle tab right here, which is specifically designed for editing what's in the ebook. But usually the AI is going to cover things you didn't even know because AI overall is just smarter than us in general. And then when we would want to export our ebook, there's so many different options you can use. As you can see, you can export it as a PDF, an EPUB, a WebPub, or a PDFX. I don't even know what this is, but it is another type of ebook. So yeah, as soon as you're done with this ebook, you can immediately hook it up to an Instagram account, start posting videos, posting it with AI content, and making just as much as every single AI looks maxer right now is making. When it comes to setting up payments and things like that, I just use WAP specifically because WAP is most easy and seamless to hook up. You can literally just make your entire site with WAP and put your ebook in the WAP. That way it'll handle the site, it'll handle the payments, and it'll all be pretty seamless to where when the buyer buys it, they get an email and they right away they get access to the ebook. As you guys can see, the potential with AI is just getting out of hand right now, and if you're not taking advantage of it, like I already mentioned, you're gonna get left behind because AI is only getting more and more advanced. So if you guys wanted to start maximizing your skill set, learning how to do this, learning how to post content on social media in general and get paid for it, I'll have Creator Labs Premium down below in the description for you guys. It's just an entire network of kids making money online through various different methods like TikTok Shop, the Creator Awards program, and digital products. And I go highly in depth on how to maximize everything you need to know in order to actually be successful when it comes to making money online. But if you guys had any personal questions for me, I'll also have the free course and community down below in the description as well. So yeah, make sure you guys are taking advantage of that. Watch all the free courses, watch all my videos on YouTube, and ultimately just maximize your knowledge when it comes to this topic, because I can tell you right now, AI content and social media marketing are not going anywhere. So yeah, without further ado, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.